Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice, they don't know say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have Teeway plugged in with Fumez. You understand? I didn't even know that this was dropping. I haven't listened to Teeway in a lot. Bro, what was the last song? The last song I listened from Teeway was Breaking Bad. You understand? So if y'all niggas didn't know, I listened to the Teeway. You know what I'm saying? But last song I listened was Breaking Bad. And I was like, man, I ain't really hear shit. I didn't know him have some like a beef with Trap Times 10. But man, I said, fuck. Nigga care more about trapping and beef than the music, fam. I was like, shit. I guess we're not hearing no more Teeway. But no, I'm there with the plugged in with Fumez. So I know Teeway is sick already. I want to hear some. I don't really know about Retail Working Baby Abando Basin. You understand? Would they believe their statements? The gang got locked, but they know what's what. We shoot in the woods like Caleb. The spin thing coming like Freddy and Jason. It's just evolving Satan. She now don't know about Retail Working Baby Abando Basin. Anyways, man, you know me, bro. Once I start singing the songs, can't stop. But check out my gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Click my links in the description, and let's jump into this shit. Fumez with the light skin face again. Fucking hell, Fumez.
Fumez, the engineer. Oh, peace.
Bow.
Through the fifth, through the fucking guys. TF shit.
Come on, man.
It was
TF.
Stronger than niggas.
Bow.
Ow. Bow. Bro, this beat sounds like it is going to be disgusting. Let me take a deep breath and hold on to this pillow, bro. I'm not sure. Let's go.
So much holes, little man woke up soaked, he probably leaking still. 10 floors up, 3 cats and a band, all of them know how needles feel. M chaps swinging me shots in cancha, swing shots back like Serena will. I told brother S get a music check on, bro said I don't even need a deal. 300 stones and moats with S, this old school.
Oh my god. No. Bro, what the fuck? Dog, Jesus Christ, brother. No, dog. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. This have a pull up. I don't give a fuck, blood. Matter of fact, I'm about this. I'm turning this shit all the way up. I don't care if I go deaf. I don't give a fuck. You hear this? Listen.
So much holes, little man woke up soaked, he probably leaking still. 10 floors up, 3 cats and a band, all of them.
Man said he's probably leaking still. So much holes. He's probably leaking still to this day. You know what they say? Legend has it. He's still leaking to this day. Like, bruv, first line, fuck off.
So much holes, little man woke up soaked, he probably leaking still. 10 floors up, 3 cats and a band, all of them know how needles feel. M chaps swinging me shots in cancha, swing shots back like Serena will. I told brother S get a music check on, bro said I don't even need a deal. 300 stones and more.
Get music checks. I told him I don't even need a deal. I don't, bro. I keep pulling it up. Bro, oh my god, bro. I'm too high, fam. This is lit. 10 out of 10 already.
Cats and a band, all of them know how needles feel. M chaps swinging me shots in cancha.
All of them know how needles feel. Bro, and I swing shots like Serena. Like, dog. I'm sorry. If you're upset that I pause it so much, bro, fuck you and fuck off on my channel, bro. I don't give a fuck. Just fuck you.
So much holes, little man woke up soaked, he's probably leaking still. 10 floors up, 3 cats and a band, all of them know how needles feel. M-Chap swinging me shots in cunt, I swing shots back like Serena will. I told brother S get a music check on, bro said I don't even need a deal. 300 stones and moats with S, this old school Peugeot ain't got no sat nav. Slap that stainless steel in his snapback. Now the broke boys banging on Snapchat, pull up and slap. Lil J pull up and slap that, niggas get cooked like flapjacks. Ops got PTSD from dingers, and they don't wanna see M in Mac Black. Laser beam on the nose of the whap like Halo, cuz grab that when I say so.
Oh man, he's dumping, he's dumping.
Told brother S get a music check on, bro said I don't even need a deal. 300 stones and moats with S, this old school Peugeot ain't got no sat nav. Slap that stainless steel in his snapback. Now the broke boys banging on Snapchat, pull up and slap. Lil J pull up and slap that, niggas get cooked like flapjacks. Ops got PTSD from dingers, and they don't wanna see M in Mac Black. Laser beam on the nose of the whap like Halo, cuz grab that when I say so. Pirates feel with a Laco, Joe's on the main road, Carti bands on a Draco, junkie shagging on.
Wait, did he mute that on purpose?
Grab that when I say so. Pirates feel with a Laco, Joe's on the main road, Carti bands on a Draco, junkie shagging.
Oh man. Anyway, let's go again.
Like flapjacks, ops got PTSD from dingers, and they don't wanna see M in Mac Black. Laser beam on the nose of the whap like Halo, cuz grab that when I say so. Pirates feel with a Laco, Joe's on the main road, Carti bands on a Draco, junkie shagging on sofa beds. 3 tough knock on the door, that's plain clothes, gang them blue, but get soaked in red, and they ain't got a trace to say no. Retail shops in a brand new country shining.
Bro, and the thing is, he's like, he raps so clear. It's like, and he's saying so much that it's like you always have to go back there because he says so much.
Carti bands on a Draco, junkie shagging.
Nah man, I'm going back again. Fuck that.
Boys banging on Snapchat, pull up and slap. Lil J pull up and slap that, niggas get cooked like flapjacks. Ops got PTSD from dingers, and they don't wanna see M in Mac Black. Laser beam on the nose of the whap like Halo, cuz grab that when I say so. Pirates feel with a Laco, Joe's on the main road, Carti bands on a Draco, junkie shagging on sofa beds. 3 tough knock on the door, that's plain clothes, gang.
Junkie shagging on sofa beds, man. What did say? I got PTSD, I woke up to the junkie shagging, or something like that, in our previous song.
Carti bands on a Draco, junkie shagging on sofa beds. 3 tough knock on the door, that's plain clothes, gang them blue, but get soaked in red, and they ain't got a trace to say no. Retail shops in a brand new country shining, seaside traveling islands. Niggas so dumb if you ain't gave racks to your bros or mum, why you wearing diamonds? We're swinging the shank, and now on that day there's a minute of silence. Frontline country coming like Harlem 80s, hammers on coke and sirens, and the way that it goes is mad. Niggas
hammers on coke and sirens, what?
Bros or mum, why you wearing diamonds? We're swinging the shank, and now on that day there's a minute of silence. Frontline country coming like Harlem 80s, hammers on coke and sirens, and the way that it goes is mad. Niggas get smoked and trapped in a gulag, knew my man way before the war. I try leave dead like Tupac. Aunties texting my phone, come back. I'm on the way back trying to reload new crack. Aunties dressed in Puma, banging my door. Mum asking how could I do that? M-way trips on the moats with fiends. They're telling me all their broken dreams. Pussy or ups ain't got no heart. How you just left your brothers to bleed? I'm in a Volvo with pose on me. I decamped the ride, nearly broke my knee. Gave in a ching like I don't know how you're broken breathe. And CO2's all over the sleeve. I fireman Sam, then I stepped to west. 4-4 smoke for the goal, men 2, now the goal.
A fireman Sam and I stepped to west. Did Sam Allardyce manage West Ham? Or am I reading too much into that? Maybe he never mean it. I'm not sure, but this is going off, bro.
CO2's all over the sleeve. I fireman Sam, then I stepped to west. 4-4 smoke for the goal, men 2, now the golden bells in my man's. 015, I was taking a piss. I never went conch, but I kept the peds. Golden bells stuck in the door. The beamer car door intercepted death. On my vet shit, I put life in the homeless cats, cause
the beamer car door intercepted death. Cause it, yeah.
I was stuck in the door, the beamer car door intercepted death. On my vet shit, I put life in the homeless cats, cause he got bagged with a weapon. I can't put trust in a pagan bitch. I'd rather trust fiends that lie for the crap. I wrap this rents in an X5 chase.
I rather what? And you know the fiends do anything and say anything for the crack, dog. Fuck off.
And I can't put trust in a pagan bitch. I'd rather trust fiends that lie for the crap. I wrap this rents in an X5 chase me. Sab 2 loaded pipes in a back. Might put scouts on a ride for a bag for £1,000. They'll die for a rap. Cats call back cause the grease is bad. Cats call back cause they know it's raw. Got hit and they ain't never jumped in the sea, but them niggas been overboard. Man, they get try to take man's life in it.
But they been overboard. They never jumped in the sea, but they been overboard. Alright, bro. 10 out of 10.
Got hit and they ain't never jumped in the sea, but them niggas been overboard. Man, they get try to take man's life and they're staying inside like COVID laws. Remember me, H, I sweep up county cat circle till we notice more. 3-2-3 over there, man's twinning like Zach.
Oh, what the fuck?
Me, H, I sweep up county cat circle till we notice more. 3-2-3 over there, man's twinning like Zach and Cody. We made a killing. Lil man should've done R&B. Them boy rap good, but they always singing. 3 M10 just don't stop swinging. That pagan boy never know what hit him. left D in the deep end. I saw my life, we was backstroke swimming. Dentist shit, cause they holding feelings. That's in the D with cats and flies. And I can't wait till they bust them gates. Lil J in the cage tryna man's big 4-4. Way too ratchet, give it to bro, don't call my
Bro, what's with niggas and shanking man in the eye from? I feel like ever since Digga D and Izzy, everybody's been talking about eyes, bro.
them gates, Lil J in the cage tryna man's big 4-4. Way too ratchet, give it to bro, don't call mankind. Half that block, best clap for the NHS, cause they brought them back to life.
Fumez, the engineer.
I don't know if Fumez was feeling this as much. I see Fumez, what you call it there? I do him something there like this, and then I do the you know what I'm saying? Fumez wasn't going off as much in this one. I don't know why. What going Fumez? The energy did low today. But anyway, man, Teeway plugged in with Fumez, bro. I have to give this a 10 out of 10. The beat, disgusting, and then Teeway just kept flowing down. You understand? So, 10 out of 10. I do really and truly. If you're vexed with that, if you don't think it's 10 out of 10, you need to go and choke on some rice or something. You know what I'm saying? But Joe, big up Fumez, Teeway, big up a little Pet Koski and Ron ADG, because this beat is... Bro, I wish almost all beats sounded like not all beats, but like I wish every beat had like this standard, you know what I'm saying? This level of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, for the beat people out there, the beat lovers, you know what I'm talking about. You see me, I'm big up Mitchie Taylor and Chromatics. You don't know. Cogency and the Cogency Reacts channel. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And then gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Go check those out. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll